G'day collectors, welcome back to the Authentic Bunker here in Perth. My name's Greg, I'm the R&D Manager here at Authentic. Today we've got some road cars, we've got some old stuff, we've got some new stuff. Without further ado, let's go and bust these boxes open and have a look what's inside. Well, there you go. We've got a Ford Ranger Raptor in Ford Performance Blue and a Leyland P76 Super in Peel Me A Grape Purple Metallic. Both of these cars are actually kind of cool. I can't express my love for Peel Me A Grape enough. I just think that color is so 70s and so good. We had to do it. Otherwise, I was basically gonna, throw my toys out of the cot and leave. And Ford Performance Blue is one of the rarer colors for the Ranger Raptors. If you do actually see one, like you'll be like, oh, I know what that color is now. These are both reasonably low number cars. We've got 120 for this and 252 for this one. So get in quick, they'll be gone pretty quick. We've got some more stuff coming along the way, a few more scales to get through. As always, like, subscribe, ring the bell, and all that other guff we say here on YouTube. In the meantime, keep collecting, and I'll see you on the next one. Take it easy.